Hi everybody, this is TJ with NetPicks.com. Wanted to talk to you about a very important subject, one that's critical to the success of my own trading, and I kind of broke my own cardinal rule over the last few weeks, and I wanted to kind of share with you my experience. We're looking at a chart here. I don't really want to tell you what the chart is because really it doesn't matter. It's any old chart. It could be a Forex chart, a futures chart, stock chart. Really doesn't matter. The lesson to be learned here is something that every single trader would do better to pay attention to. I had this idea, wanted to test it out. I'm working on some new strategies, some new trade ideas, and they were looking really, really good. The ideas were working every time, and I decided to test the waters and jump in full guns a-blazing with a real account to see if I could actually trade this thing for real. And the results that I got surprised me because what ended up happening was, well, in short, it just didn't work. The idea didn't work, and I was losing money. And then it occurred to me, if I would have just paid attention to my own golden rule, and that is to create a foundation before risking real money. It doesn't cost anything, it just costs time. I went back and decided to backtest my idea and to use the UTA spreadsheet and put some trades into the spreadsheet by hand. What do you think I discovered? Well, at first it was looking pretty good. It started out nice. It was kind of doing what I had expected it to do. Started winning. Had some nice results here. Even finished the week positive. Did end up losing on this final day of the week, and then the next day after the weekend had a small loss. Okay, no big deal. Even the best systems in the world are going to have some losing sessions once in a while, and that's okay as long as I can put the odds in my favor. Came back with a nice strong winning session. Okay. Some losses. Still in the game though. I mean, it's looking pretty good, but now I've got a negative week and I'm kind of at break even, maybe even a little negative with commissions. So I just kept on doing it, and look, not a good week again, followed by another hard couple sessions. You get the idea. It just wasn't good. And I could have went through and done all this and seen this and saved myself some money. There's nothing like backtesting to put your system to the initial scrutiny of the markets. It's not the real thing, but it will give you an indication on what you could expect if you were able to execute the strategy correctly. I could have saved myself some money here. Just a quick look at the statistics. Based on the backtest, it only won less than 40% of the time, had a losing profit factor and a losing net total. And it's amazing what you can discover by just putting in a little effort. It definitely would have paid off to invest a little bit of time to discover that this was going to be a losing system. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with everybody. If you're thinking of trading something new, a new market, a new strategy, remember, markets go through all kinds of conditions. And it's a rare strategy that's going to hold up through all market conditions. They do exist, but you have to kind of make sure that what you're going to trade is going to hold up. You don't have to win every trade, you don't have to win every session. You just need to establish that you're putting the odds in your favor on every single trade. That's called building a strong foundation. And I strongly would urge everybody to take the time to do that before risking their hard-earned capital. Thanks for joining me on this short video, everybody. This is TJ with NetPicks.com, and I'll see you on the next one.